Breaking news, Matt. We got new information as to when the rain will change over to snowfall.
And that's so crucial to this forecast. It looks like we'll make that transition from rain over to snow even sooner on Saturday. Couple implications to that. Number one, if we can switch over to snow faster, you'll just simply get more snow. If it's more time throughout the day is snowing, you're going to add up a little bit more. So snowfall totals will continue to go up. Meteorologist Tyler Moore will continue to update those tomorrow morning. Secondly, though, and this is actually some good news for us, if we switch over to snow faster, that means there's going to be less rain in the forecast. Less rain means any kind of road treatment will be more effective. So that's some really good news for us. We'll continue to watch. This forecast continues to waver as we get closer and closer. We continue to fine-tune the forecast, but things can change, and we'll let you know when those changes take place. I want to just zoom out for a second and show you the path of this storm. It's coming in from the northern plains, actually southern Canada right now, and it's going to be diving south right towards the Arkansas Ozarks and into the Ouachitas, then diving into the deep south and eventually off towards the northeast. To get the most snow, you need to be along the storm track or just north of the storm track. And notice it comes right to us. Now, we're not going to get the most snow out of the storm system. We'll probably get a couple inches, especially in northwest Arkansas and especially in higher terrain areas. But this thing's really going to explode towards the east for the eastern seaboard. But let's zoom in a little bit closer to home. We've got a winter storm watch still in effect for north central Arkansas. That does include Carroll County and Madison County. The highest snowfall totals will be just a little bit farther towards our east, right in the heart of north central Arkansas. Until then, I think we're dry tomorrow. None of this takes place until early on Saturday. So your Friday looks nice. We'll still be warm. Won't have as much sun. I think when you're looking out the window, you probably see more clouds. But I still think we'll get to the 50s thanks to southwesterly winds, up to maybe 15 miles per hour. All right. Here's the newest and latest data. This is early in the morning on Saturday. We just passed midnight from Friday night and into Saturday. We're already getting a few of those light rain showers, but we'll quickly transition over to snow as temperatures really drop even before sunrise. Some of us may already be seeing snow as we're waking up tomorrow, and then snow will continue throughout the rest of the morning. We'll watch another batch of heavier snow come in from southwest Missouri, and I think the snowiest time will be between 3 o'clock in the afternoon to about 6 or 7 o'clock Saturday evening, and then over time we'll fade away with the snow showers as everything starts to pull off towards the east. So we're still thinking about up to an inch or two across northwest Arkansas, a solid dusting, maybe an inch or so throughout Fort Smith, Van Buren, and then heavier snow totals back off towards the east. But I think everyone does have a chance for some of that accumulating snow. We also, of course, have the chance for some of those slick roadways. Also, be advised as temperatures drop Saturday night and into Sunday, even though the snow will be gone, if we have any kind of melting, there's probably going to be some refreezing on the roads. We'll be down to the teens. Roads are still kind of warm because we had such a warm December. But with temperatures in the teens, you'll still get some freezing, no matter what really the road temperature is. In the River Valley, we're also going to take a hit. We'll go from the 50s, near 60 tomorrow, back down to the 30s this weekend.
That's 12 hours of snowfall, potentially.
Potentially. I think most of it's going to be light, but when it snows for 12 hours, you're going to get some accumulation.
Yeah, and that little crust of ice on the road, that's the part that's scary, right? Because you can't see it and can kind of come out of nowhere.
All right, Matt, thanks. Coming up, we're hearing from Arkansas Gymnastics head coach on her admiration for fellow Olympians.